Good morning, students. Okay, now let's start again today's class. Yes, yesterday we have studied about the aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and I think you everybody understood it very well. Okay, now today we are going to see about the what is the difference between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay, I explained yesterday also. Now you can see the table and in the tabular form difference. Okay, the first difference is that it occur in the presence of oxygen and it occur in the absence of oxygen, aerobic and anaerobic. You know that it is a major difference between this aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Okay, so everybody knows that aerobic respiration take place in the presence of oxygen and anaerobic respiration take place in the absence of oxygen. Get it? And the second thing is that it involves the exchange of gases between the organism and outside environment. You know that in the aerobic respiration, we inhale the oxygen and exhale the carbon dioxide. Okay, so we are inhaling the oxygen from the environment. Okay, so there is exchange of gases between the body and the outside of the environment. Okay, and in the anaerobic respiration, exchange of gases is absent. Okay, get it? And in the aerobic respiration take place in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is present in the cell. ओके, सेल के अंदर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एक ऑर्गेनेल है एंड साइटोप्लाज्म होता है उसके सेल के अंदर. तो ये टेक प्लेस कहाँ पर होता है? ये जो रिएक्शन होती है रेस्पिरेशन, एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन की, वो सेल के अंदर होती है और सेल के अंदर भी साइटोप्लाज्म और माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में होती है. एंड एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होता है ओनली साइटोप्लाज्म में, ना कि माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया में, नॉट इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. गेट इट? And in the aerobic respiration, okay, what are the byproducts? Byproducts are carbon dioxide and H2O, water. Okay, carbon dioxide था, water था. Get it? And आपका जो anaerobic respiration था उसमें क्या बना था? In the anaerobic respiration, the byproducts are alcohol and lactic acid. Okay, you have seen that lactic acid and alcohol is produced. Get it? Okay, now in the aerobic respiration a very large amount of energy is released, but in the anaerobic respiration a small amount of energy is released. Okay, and what are the examples? Aerobic respiration take place in the cell of human body, this is the example, and the anaerobic respiration take place in the yeast cell and the muscle cell. Okay, get it? I explained yesterday also in the muscle cells anaerobic respiration take place and produce the lactic acid. Okay, get it? So now this is the difference between the aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Now next topic is the breathing in animals. Okay, different animals, you know that different animals have a different breathing organs. Okay, for taking out oxygen, taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Like let's see. Okay, in the cockroach is a insect. Okay, so in the insects like cockroaches and grasshoppers, they're having a many small pores are present on their body. Small openings are present in their body. Okay, small openings साइड में जो बॉडी है, ये बॉडी के साइड्स में ऐसे लाइक दिस. ओके, ऑन द बॉडी सरफेस दे हैविंग अ स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स एंड दिस स्मॉल ओपनिंग्स आर नोन एज स्पाइरकल्स. Okay, lateral sides, on the lateral side of the body there are small pores. Okay, and these small pores are known as spiracles. Okay, and the insects, then after these spiracles have a network of air tubes called the trachea. Okay, and this trachea help in the gaseous exchanges. Okay, स्पाइरकल्स देखो, ये स्पाइरकल से ये कनेक्टेड होते हैं, देन अंदर ट्यूब से देर आर small tubes are present. Okay, they are connected to the tubes, they are known as trachea. What they are known as trachea. Okay, and the oxygen rich air enter through the spiracles. Firstly spiracle से oxygen enter होगा, then passes through the trachea, then from the trachea to the cells of the body. Okay, then again in the cells again reaction take place and then CO2 is produced, then from the then again CO2, carbon dioxide from the cell passes through the trachea, and from the trachea then the spiracles out of the body. Spiracle से वापस CO2 कहाँ जाएगी? बाहर जाएगी. Okay, so this is the exchange of gases in the cockroach. Get it? Now next, that is the earthworm. Okay, earthworm, you know the earthworm, leeches, okay, and frog use their moist skin for the exchange of gases. They are having a moist skin. Okay, earthworm है, leeches हैं एंड फ्रॉग तो क्या करता है, फ्रॉग 2 टाइप से ब्रीदिंग करता है, रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस होता है, लंग से भी करता है और किससे करेगा, अपनी बॉडी सरफेस से भी करता है. तो अर्थवर्म, लीचेस एंड फ्रॉग, दे use their moist skin for the exchange of gases. Get it? Okay. And fishes, everybody knows that fishes have a gills. Okay, so these are the gills that are present. Okay, there is a cover is there, operculum. As the operculum open, then inside the gills are present here. Okay, these gills are the breathing organ of the fishes. Okay, so in the aquatic animals like fishes and tadpoles, they're having a gills. Okay, तो फ्रॉम द गिल्स द ऑक्सीजन एंटर, गिल से ही ऑक्सीजन जाएगी और फिर क्या होगा, वापस से क्या होगा, अपने माउथ के थ्रू जो होते हैं वो क्या कर लेंगे, द गिल्स हैव अ ब्लड वेसल्स होती है विच हेल्प द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. ओके, और जो वाटर का फ्लो होता है वो कहाँ से होती है, कहाँ से होता है, वाटर के फ्लो के साथ ऑक्सीजन जाती है, डिजोल्व ऑक्सीजन को लेते हैं, तो वाटर एंटर थ्रू द गिल्स एंड फ्रॉम द वाटर द गिल्स ऑब्जर्व द ऑक्सीजन. गेट इट? So they're having a gills. Okay, and like whales and dolphins live in water and they have a lungs. You know that dolphins and whale fish, they are fish, but they do not have a gills. They have a lungs like us. Okay, like a mammals. We are mammals. हम mammals हैं, तो हमारी तरह lungs होते हैं, which can take in oxygen only from the air. Okay, because lungs can take the oxygen from the air. Okay, that's why the whales and dolphins comes out on the surface of water to breathe. Okay, and they breathe through the blowholes. उनके एक blowhole होता है ऊपर. Okay, blowhole hole होता है. Get it? तो उस hole से क्या, head के ऊपर एक hole present होता है, उस hole से वो क्या करते हैं, breathe out करते हैं. Okay, they breathe through the blowhole and they take in the oxygen blowhole से अंदर जाती है. Get it? Okay, so these are the breathing form in the different animals. And like amoeba, it's a unicellular organism. Okay, सिंगल सेल होता है, सिंगल सेल से बना हुआ एक ऑर्गेनिज्म है अमीबा. रेस्पायर बाय द प्रोसेस, वो अपनी बॉडी सरफेस से डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू क्या करेगा, इट प्रोसेस बाय द डिफ्यूजन. ओके, इट टेक रेस्पायर थ्रू द डिफ्यूजन थ्रू इट्स बॉडी सरफेस. ओके, ऑक्सीजन उसकी बॉडी सरफेस से क्या करता है, एंटर करता है. ओके, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑल्सो रिलीज फ्रॉम द बॉडी सरफेस. ओके, तो दीज आर द different organs that are present in the different animals.